Hey guys, I'm Apurva from bloggingmaker.com and here we are at SendSnap review. So in this video, I'm going to describe what SendSnap is and walk through all the details and benefits of this software and giving my special bonuses that curated only for this software that you didn't find anywhere else, and I bet you those are the best valuable bonuses that you find in the internet. So be sure to stay with me in the video till the end. I am sure you will love it. In a nutshell, SendSnap is a cloud-based software from where you can manage all your extra work like commenting on Facebook, messaging on Messenger, SMS, email marketing, and handling Instagram also. And the best part is there is no monthly fees. So let's go and see the bonuses. So here we are at the bonus page and you will see world's most powerful cloud-based messaging platform that combines the power of Messenger, bots, Instagram, SMS and emails with zero monthly fees. So let's see the bonuses. The first bonus is rapid Instagram profit. Be the successful influencer in Instagram. So with this bonus you will find how to be an influencer in the Instagram. Okay, and the second bonus is 100 autoresponder marketing emails. So a complete done for you set of emails that you can use right away in the promotion. My third bonus is 6 premium plugin and tools from my side. All of these plugins specially I use on my website. Okay, so the first bonus in the plugin is Avada Pro. Next is Elementor Pro, WP from Future LMS, and WP Rocket, Yoast SEO Pro. So 6 premium plugin from my side. Okay, the fourth bonus is best selling 100 ebooks. I'm giving you all the 100 ebooks. So here you can see the list of these 100 ebook. Okay, so please go pause the video and see the book list. I didn't read all of this. Okay, so please pause the video and see your. So here you can see the all the Rich Dad and Poor Dad books are available here, and how to stop worrying and start living. So here you can see 100 books are available. So these are the bonuses from my side, and the fifth bonus is all the bonuses that the vendor giving it to you. So I'm showing you the vendor bonuses here. The first vendor bonus is Instagram instant content creator. Second is article indexer pro. Third bonus is lead generation on demand. Fourth one is Mart expert. Fifth, extreme list build plugin. Lead capture page match. Power List Pro. 8th bonus is backlink analyzer software. 9th is email protector. 10th is traffic splitter. So all these 10 bonuses and my special bonuses are here for SendSnap. So you have to just click on these green buttons and you are redirected to the sales page. So the sales page look like this, very simple and very informative. So here you can see new 3-in-1 multi-channel autoresponder builds huge SMS, emails and messenger leads for free and sell to them on complete automation. Okay, so please go through the sales page also, very informative and all the information about this software available. And you can see here it is the dashboard of SendSnap. So let's see the actual review of SendSnap. So after login, please go through this import account button. You have to add your Facebook account here. So here you can see login with Facebook. You have to log in your Facebook account here. After that, go through the tutorial section. So in the tutorial section you will find all the premium features of this software and the tutorial short tutorial of every features. Okay, so here you can see the start with FB and Sendley, collect phone numbers, emails and birthday. So here you can see how you have to collect the phone numbers, emails and birthdays. Okay, next is messenger broadcast. Next is unsubscribe campaigns. After that, bot import export. After that, Facebook comment automation, upload contracts, add more contracts, add SMTP and send emails. Next is detach and reimport FB account and pages. Next is Mailchimp integration. So here you can see all the SMS, all the short videos of these features. Okay, so let's see the Facebook. Here you can see the Facebook comment section. So here you can add any campaigns of Facebook comments. Okay, so in the automation campaigns here, so here you can create any kind of campaigns of comment. Okay, so after that, here you can collect the templates. There is already so many templates available, so you can collect the templates also. Okay, so let's see, here you can see the reply template. So after replying the comments, here you can see the templates. Okay, and here you can find the reports of these campaigns. After that, in the chatbot section, here you can see bot settings. So you can set the bots that are going automatic. Okay, after that, here you can see my bot templates, so you can use their bot templates also. In the non-profit section, you can create the broadcast and use their templates. OTN broadcast, I don't know what is OTN broadcast, so you have to see the tutorial for this. Okay, next the autoresponder section. Here you can add your Mailchimp account, sending blue account, active campaigns, Mutic, Asle. I don't know why they didn't add the get response account also, because this is most popular. Okay, but you can use their automation or autoresponder also. So here you can see create email campaigns. So you can create email campaigns from their platform, as I say before. And here you can see my email campaigns, email templates you can use their email templates. And SMS SMTP settings. Here SMS marketing, in the SMS marketing section you can create SMS campaigns. SMS campaigns, you can see your SMS campaigns are SMS API setting here. Okay, after that, here you can see all of your contacts, like SMS, phone number, another comment. Okay, you can see contact list also. And the best features, here you can create your own e-commerce store. So I'll show you how you can create. So here you can see you can create your e-commerce store, own e-commerce store. So in the dashboard section, here you can see the total order, resolved cart, checkout order, total earning, in the category attributes, product, visit store. So full done for you e-commerce store is available. You have to only add your products and the details of your products. Okay, very easy and very comfortable to work with, very newbie friendly also. Okay, this is actually SendSnap is, and I'll show you the price of SendSnap. And the best part is, if you buy only front end, which is only $37, you get all the bonuses from my side and the vendor side also. Access all the powerful SendSnap software and training modules. After that, upsell one is SendSnap Pro, which is $47. So here you can see the features of upsell one. So add to messenger button on sale, send a messenger button, QR code, m.m link generator, custom chat plugin, one day auto broadcast, send queue, sequence messaging, email, SMS, sequence campaigns, drag and drop from builder. So I'll see this, that if you buy front end, you didn't get all the actual feature of the software. So you have to buy SendSnap Pro, which is $47. So this is, you can say, the cons of the software. Okay, upsell 2 is SendSnap Link, which is $47. Here you can see searchable membership, 3 million plus stock image, 1 million plus stock videos, 20k vectors, 5,000 plus royalty free audios, multiple format, high quality downloads, use unlimited projects, social share, inbuilt Photoshop like image editor, commercial license. Upsell 3 is SendSnap reseller, which is $197. So you can see link clocking, Hive inboxing, FB remarking, geo targeting, all is available here. So upsell 4 is SendSnap stock, which is $47. So there is a 4 upsell. Okay, here you can see the 30 days money back guarantee also available. So this software is launched on 22nd Feb 10 a.m. Eastern time. So please go through the link which is in the description below. So this is this page link. Okay, so you are redirected to this page and you have to click on these buttons to redirect it to this sales page. Please go through the link in the description below. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is SendSnap is and how it's work for you. So please go through this and go and subscribe to my channel for next reviews. I am reviewing all the software like this, so please subscribe in and press the bell icon. And thank you guys. Bye bye, see you next time.